Hi, my name's Naomi Jones, and I'm the author of The Rap Lesson, which is part of the Readerful Rise series. So I was diagnosed with dyslexia when I was 21. I've always really loved stories, but I definitely find some books harder to read than others because of the fonts they use and their page layout too. I absolutely love that the Readerful Rise series has been designed to be as easy to read as possible for everyone. The fonts are all super clear with lots of big, pulled out text for impact, which also helps support understanding. And there's a really great contrast between the text and the background too. But what I love the most is that they've made the books really playful and fun. Both the layout and the topic of the books have been designed so that they don't feel boring at all. When I wrote the rap lesson, I had the opportunity to include a bit at the end, which is designed to be read out loud. I wrote a poem here that can be rapped, as I know from experience that rhythm can really help dyslexic and struggling readers. As a mum of two boys myself, I know that making books fun is always going to make them way more engaging for kids.